From stocking stuffers to big ticket items and every budget in between, we've assembled a list of 20 gift ideas that any outdoor cooking enthusiast would enjoy getting for Christmas, including our brand new series of BBQ Lab seasoning blends. Wait, what? I'm David Gafford with the BBQ Lab, and the cat is finally out of the bag. If you follow this channel for long, you know that I try to exhaust all research to help you find the perfect outdoor cooking gear for your backyard. And now I've brought the same critical approach to flavor and have created 3 new seasoning blends that we are so excited to share with you. More information on that is coming in just a minute, but first, let's talk stocking stuffers. Side note, I'm going to warn you now that a lot of the products I'm about to show you may be dirty and show real signs of use. And that, my friends, is how you know they'll make a good gift, because that means I actually use all of these things a lot. Up first, stocking stuffers. These are the ThermoWorks probe spools. I love these probe spools because they help me keep all of my probes organized, and it keeps them from kinking, which means that the probes are going to last longer. You can use these with any brand of probe that is out there. They're priced at less than $9, and I think this is a must for anyone who likes to grill or barbecue. These are no-cut gloves. I have a pair of these gloves for myself, one for Melissa, and one for the kids to use whenever we're working with knives. I know I've cut myself working with different knives and different proteins, and this covered with a nitrile glove makes sure that I never have any unexpected cuts when I'm trying to hurry or get things done quickly. These are priced at less than $15, and with that price and the size, they're perfect for a stocking. This is a dredge shaker. Whenever I'm cooking for a crowd, I put my rubs in this to cover my proteins quickly. I know that if I'm cooking more than one pork butt, I don't want to have to shake a shaker 200 times just to cover one pork butt. I'd rather just use the dredge shaker and cover it quickly. This is priced at $8, and you can pick one up with multiple size tops. I recommend the yellow one, and I think it's great for a stocking. This is a butane torch. You can tell that this is well used and well loved because whenever we're lighting fires around the BBQ Lab, which is all the time, I'm using this to start smaller fires. It's really easy to use. It's a simple trigger and you have fire. You'll see these in use to make creme brulee, but I find them as a fire starter to be something that's invaluable here at the BBQ Lab. You can pick one of these up for $18 and it fits in your stocking. This is the Scrub It Grill Cleaner. I'm not good at cleaning my grill grates after I'm done cooking while the grill is hot, so I find that the Scrub It is what I lean towards almost every time I'm cleaning when the grill is cold. Since it's handheld instead of a stick, you can really use elbow grease when you clean your grill, and I find that that is handy in getting things done quickly. You can get 2 of these for $10, and they are a cold grill cleaning machine. Finally, my favorite idea for a stocking stuffer is our bottles of barbecue seasoning. For the first time on YouTube, I would like to introduce you to our pork protocol that we use on all things pork. Ribs, pork butt, pork belly, it's all delicious. Next up is our salt, pepper, and garlic blend, the essential equation. We put this stuff on everything from burgers to chicken to veggies and eggs. And last, I present to you our feathered formula. We just seasoned over 100 chicken wings with this stuff last night, and they were to die for. Just today, we've launched a Kickstarter so that you can help us bring these flavors to life. Just scan this code or click the link in the description below to find out how you can get on board and be among the first to try our new rubs, as well as some other great products and exclusive opportunities. Okay, that wraps up the stocking stuffers, so let's look at gift ideas under $50. These are the Cuisinart Prep and Serve trays. There's a red and a black tray. The red is for raw meat and the black is for cooked meat. If you're anything like me, you grab a cutting board full of meat, you go out to the grill, you put the meat on the grill, and then you don't even think about the second tray that you're going to need to bring in cooked meat. The real benefit of these trays for me is that they're form-fitted against each other, and when you pick one up, you naturally pick up the second. So you go to the grill already prepared with your finished meat tray and not just your raw meat tray, so you don't have to make multiple trips in and out whenever you're grilling. You can pick up a set of these for just $25. These are the Good Grips grill tools. If you're going to buy a spatula or some tongs for someone this holiday season, avoid those 30-piece grill sets. I'm just gonna be honest with you, they're garbage. You're only gonna use one or two of the tools in there anyway, and they're not high quality. Just spend the $23 that it costs to get these two. Out of all of the grill tools that I have here at the Barbecue Lab, these are the two that I use the absolute most. These are high heat rubberized grill gloves. Everyone needs a pair of grill gloves that they can use to pick things up to be able to protect them from the heat and not get messy. That's why I like these rubberized ones. They're what I reach for about 80% of the time while I'm cooking outdoors, and I think everyone should have a pair. One of the things I like most about these is that they're incredibly easy to wash. You just put soap on the outside and then wash them like you would wash your hands, take them off, and you're good to go. This is the Grill Rescue brush. It's not pretty anymore, but this is what I use to clean a hot grill when I remember. It uses the power of steam to get all of the bits off of the grill grates, and I really like using this to clean my grill. The head is exchangeable, and you can put a new one on if this one wears out, but as you can tell, this one hasn't worn out, and we've had it on there for at least 6 months. These things last a long time. There's a scraper on the end if you have some bits that you want to get off before you use the steam. This is my go-to hot grill cleaner, and I know the person you're buying for will love it. This is a Jacquard meat tenderizer. Instead of just smashing the living daylights out of your meat, we like to use a Jacquard, which uses these tiny little blades to tenderize and cut all of the stringy bits inside of steak. It's easy to use. You just press it on your protein and press down, and you can see the blades come out as it gets into your protein. It's our favorite way to make sure that steaks are almost fork tender when we use them, and you can get it for just about 25 bucks. This is the Cutlux brisket knife. Anyone that likes to smoke and barbecue can always use a good brisket knife, and coming in at less than $45, this one's a winner. It has a great hand feel. I love how the handle fits my hand. I feel like I have great control. If you know someone who could use a brisket knife, it's a fantastic gift. Hey, another great idea for gifts under $50 is our Kickstarter Grill Master set. For just $45, you'll receive all 3 bottles of rub, plus an exclusive Barbecue Lab sticker set. If your budget is right around $100, these next couple of items are gonna be just perfect for you. This is the Grill Grate Flavor Zone. This grill panel is 15 inches deep by 9 1/4 inches wide, and you can get a whole set, but oftentimes if you're just going to outfit this on your existing grill, you may just need 1 or 2 panels. And you can pick these up to give yourself grill marks on the top and a griddle surface on the bottom. What I like about this is I can use this on any of my grills. Gas grills, pellet grills, charcoal grills. It's small enough that it fits on all of them, and every type works. Priced at just $75, they're a great way to give your grill new life. This is the Dalstrong Delta Wolf boning knife. This is my favorite boning knife right now. This is what I've used for multiple pork butt cooks where I'm cooking 5, 10, 15 pork butts at a time, trimming them up with this, multiple briskets. This is my favorite boning knife because it has some flex in it. I love flexibility in a boning knife, and you can pick this up for $99 or less, and it's the one boning knife that I would use out of all of the ones I have here at the lab. I think that's saying something if you're going to be buying one knife for someone who's really into barbecue and outdoor cooking. This is the ThermoWorks ThermoPen 1. You can't have a barbecue gift guide without a ThermoPen 1, can you? They come in multiple colors. I know that purple's my daughter's favorite, blue's Ethan's favorite. I end up using the red one a lot of times because they've claimed these. But the ThermoPen 1 has become something that I need at my side whenever I'm at the grill. I want to know how my proteins are doing, whether it's low and slow or hot and fast. And this has become the reliable tool that I rely on. So if you don't have one, or that person who likes to grill doesn't have one yet, it makes a ton of sense. Regularly priced, they're $109, but during the holidays, I guarantee you're gonna be able to find a deal. You know what else is under $100? Our double up tier on our Kickstarter, where you can get 2 of each of our rubs, plus an exclusive Barbecue Lab sticker set for only $80. If you're looking to spend a little more this Christmas to really wow someone you love, we have a few gift ideas that come in at $200 or less. This is the ThermoWorks RFX Meat Wireless Thermometer. Wireless thermometers are all the rage right now, and I do like the RFX Meat for a couple of reasons. The first is the size. When you look at the size of this probe, it's rather small in diameter, and that matters that I'm not putting a giant tunnel in the meat that I'm cooking. The second thing is the range. When you're talking about how far you can get away from the grill and still get signal, or if you can close the grill lid, put it in the cast iron pot, these are the things that this excels in, and I'm here for it. In the RFX Meat Starter Kit, you'll get the probe and the gateway with an air probe for $160. So it's not super cheap, but also you're buying into a system that you can continue to expand on because you can put so many different RFX Meat units into this system, and it doesn't max out until I think 50 different probes. If adding wireless to your toolkit is on this year's wish list, you can't go wrong with the RFX Meat. If you're looking to buy something significant for that special someone on your list who likes to barbecue, here's the gift ideas that I have under $200. This is the grill gun. When I light bigger fires here at the BBQ Lab, the grill gun is the thing I turn to every single time. It runs off of these 1-pound propane canisters, and it makes a huge fire. You can get 2 to 3 foot flames out of the end of the grill gun, and I use it to light my fire pits, pizza ovens, charcoal grills, Kamados, and just about everything that I need to light a fire with of a larger scale. You can save some money on your grill gun purchase using the code that we have down in the description below, but this is our favorite way to start fires. This is the Hexmill Salt and Pepper Grinder Set. I love fresh ground pepper on all of my dishes that I make here at home, and I've defaulted to the Hexmill set as my absolute favorite. These grinders have an aluminum body, and there are 10 different grind settings that you can choose from. They're easy to refill in that you just press the button on the top, the lid comes off, you can refill and pop it right back on, and that's all there is to a refill session with one of these. These grind much faster than a traditional grinder, and I love it. They're not cheap, coming in at $199 for the set, but I don't really think I'm gonna have to buy another grinder set for another decade or more, which makes the price more attainable. Our last gift suggestion, coming in right at the $200 price point, is the BBQ Lab VIP Barbecue Box, including 2 each of our 3 rubs, the sticker set, and for the first time ever, you could own your own piece of BBQ Lab merch. You'll get your very own Kickstarter exclusive trucker hat. And did I mention that this package also includes a personalized video from me? This will be a great gift to give while also supporting our channel and a new product launch. Next is the no budget budget. If your budget is big enough that you're in the market for an appliance this holiday season, click this link to get our recommendations for the best budget, moderate, and premium picks in each category. You don't often hear us fall off the log and declare a winner on your behalf, but this list will tell you our picks for each category based on our preferences. There is one cooking appliance that I'll specifically mention in this video, but for that, we need to head outside. The Brio Live Fire Grill has probably been my favorite new cooking appliance I've had the privilege of working with this year. I think it makes a great gift for the no budget crowd because it sets you up for incredible gift giving opportunities in the future. Start with the Live Fire grilling bundle for Christmas, and then add on the kettle hook, the pizza oven, extra grill grates, the griddle, and more as time goes on. I just shared with you about 20 different ideas for the holiday season that I really think are great gifts, but there is one I'm admittedly the most excited about. If you'd like to support our channel and what we do here at the BBQ Lab, head on over and check the Kickstarter campaign out. Consider supporting us and all that we do. I'm David from the BBQ Lab. Behind the camera is my lovely wife, Melissa. Thanks for your support and thanks for watching. We'll see you on the next one.